Okay, exercise B here. Given this triangle, we want to find the area of this triangle here, and we can then use the area formula, which is 1/2 times A times B times sine of the angle between them. So the area of this triangle here will be 1/2 times one of the sides, which is 6 times square root of 2, times the other side, which is 8, times sine of the angle between them, which is 45 degrees. So we get the area here. I can take 6 times 1/2, which is 3. So I get 3 square root of 2, sorry, times 8 times sine of 45 degrees, and sine of 45 degrees is square root of 2 over 2. So then I get 3 times 8, which is 24. And I can divide by 2, so 24 divided by 2 is 12. And then I get square root of 2 times square root of 2, that is 2. So we get 12 times 2, which is 24. So that is the answer on exercise B. And then exercise C here. Find the length of QR. And this is not the right angle triangle, so we need to use sine rule or cosine rule. We cannot use the sine rule, because then we have to know one angle and the opposite side. But we can use the cosine rule, and we can say that QR square is equals to 8 square plus 6 times square root of 2 square minus 2 times 8 times 6 square root of 2 times cosine of the opposite angle of QR, which is 45. Remember the cosine rule here looks like this. A square is B square plus C square minus 2BC times the cosine of the opposite angle of this. So here's one side and here's the opposite angle. And in between we have the other sides. So we just have to calculate this, and we get 64 here. And this square, 6 square root of 2 square, means 6 square root of 2 times itself, right? So we get 6 times 6, which is 36. And we get square root of 2 times square root of 2, which is 2. So this is 72. And here we get 16. Yeah, we can do this in many ways. But cosine of 45, we found that in A, is square root of 2 divided by 2. So then we get QR square is 64 plus 72. And here we can take 16 divided by 2, which is 8. So you get 8 times 6. And square root of 2 times square root of 2 is 2. So we get 64 plus 72 minus, this will be 48 times 2, which is 96. And so on. We will get this plus this is 136 minus 96, which will be 40. Is that correct? And then we get QR is then the square root of 40. So that's the correct answer, but we can also write this as 4 times 10 if we want to do it more nicer here. 4 times 10, and square root of 4 is 2, so I get 2 times square root of 10. But square root of 40 is a nice answer. So that was exercise 5.